Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete a user in Quickbook. To delete a user in Quickbook, the first thing you do is, for me, I just simply go here, click on this, the three lines on top left corner, and then click on here. So there's no option for managing users, sorry. So you can just click on the search and click on users. You can see manage users, click on manage users. You can see all the users you have. If you want to delete a user, the user I have, I can now click on edit. These are the options for the edit. So you can now decide, okay, to save the changes. Let's see if we can delete by removing all this information. So then choose save changes. So now I'm going to valid person. So okay. Since we can't do this particular user because this is the owner of the business, but we had others. Okay. If you had others, among the edit option, we should have the delete button too. So person is active. As you can see, it's only one user. And if you want to delete a user, it must be more than one. So if it's more than one, you should be able to delete it by clicking on the edit. You see the option for delete. It's as simple as that. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want. That's all.